Menta perlok ng wara HP ke kubur. Kigit jang ka Dujok kin seplin nagam tak Israel. Tong ini ngam. Ka Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps jang ka Iran. Ka aida ka jing Maham ka bating siya ka Israel. Hapreng barang nyat ka jing kun. Unong akitin ka IRGC. Nagam tak ka Operation True Promise 3 jang ka Iran. Ukop siya pang ka jing panon kamyo sejel misail persya ya ka Israel. Ha ka jing Maham ka bapen Smith ya ka Israel. U iman tajik u ong ba. Kigit jong ka Dujok kin sepli nagam ta jong pi. Siat ka Iran yiki sejel misail klaimbor persya ya ka Israel ha ka sin ka maningkong. Ha ka kat pratrik Jun kat badang nyai ka tama. U ballistic misail sejel ka Iran udon ya ka range ka ba arah jar kilometer. Hashwa ka Iranian military kaladap siat yo fatawan hypersonic missile ha ka nong ba Israel Tel Aviv. U commander ka IRGC Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps u penting na baka jingar sama jang ka Iran nya ka Israel kan nom sange kumhakan ni klimat.
The 12th wave of Operation True Promise 3 began with the launch of ultra-heavy, long-range, two-stage Sejal missiles. Residents of the occupied territories of Jerusalem, the armed forces of the Islamic Republic of Iran, backed by the heroic Iranian people, have shattered the Zionist army's air defense system over the course of several previous operations. And now the skies over the occupied territories have opened up to welcome Iran's missiles and drones. The missile attacks will be focused and continuous, as was the case yesterday, when Mossad and Amman headquarters in the occupied territories were targeted. The commander of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps had warned that the gates of hell would be opened upon you. The thunderous missiles of the IRGC Aerospace Force will not allow you to spend even a moment outside your underground shelters. It has been several days since you last saw the sunlight. Rest assured, the sound of red alert sirens will not stop for even a moment